Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a Girandola. This is a two-stage Girandola called Take Me to Your Leader by Winda Fireworks. Let's check it out. There's 6 Girandola engines in there, and check it out. So this is a two-stage, so you get this effect halfway through and that at the very end. Performance, two-stage whistling tail rises to gigantic brocade crown. The color is silver. 10 seconds. It goes to approximately 198 feet. Noise 10 out of 10, and the tail effect has a check. So check that out. All right, guys, we got this over there at Badaboom Fireworks in Blakeslee, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. If you guys like, just leave a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys.